Heterochromia is a fascinating condition characterized by different colors in a person's irises. Typically, the iris, the colored part of the eye, has a uniform hue, but in cases of heterochromia, there is a variation in color, either partially or completely. This condition can affect one or both eyes and can occur in humans as well as in some animals. Heterochromia can manifest in several ways. Complete heterochromia. This occurs when each eye has a completely different color. For example, one eye might be blue, while the other is brown. Sectoral heterochromia. In this case, there is a patch or sector of a different color within the iris of one or both eyes. For instance, a person with blue eyes might have a small section that appears brown or green within one eye. Central heterochromia. With central heterochromia, the inner part of the iris has a different color compared to the outer part. This can result in a ring or two-tone appearance. Heterochromia can be present at birth or develop later in life. It is primarily caused by variations in the distribution, concentration, or types of pigments in the iris. While the exact mechanisms are not fully understood, genetics plays a significant role in determining eye color, including heterochromia. In most cases, heterochromia does not indicate any underlying health concerns or vision problems. However, it can sometimes be associated with certain medical conditions, such as Waardenburg syndrome or Horner's syndrome. If heterochromia appears suddenly or is accompanied by other symptoms, it is advisable to consult an eye care professional for a thorough examination. Many people find heterochromia aesthetically intriguing, and some even consider it a unique and attractive feature. However, it's important to remember that everyone's perception and preferences may differ.